Hi, thanks for supporting the Botcat STEM Kits for the month of December. My name's Kate, and we're going to be making our marble cardboard tube race. So a few things that you're going to need are multiple cardboard tubes in different lengths, masking tape, and your two marbles to run through the race. We recommend you start by having a nice empty wall, or you can use a door or even your refrigerator. And we recommend you kind of plan out what your maze might look like. I already did my planning, so now it's time to do the taping. Now it's time to see who gets from the starting line to the finish line first. So I have two different colors, and we'll see. 1, 2, 3.